In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly add multiple subtasks in Asana. This is a fantastic time-saving technique, especially if you often find yourself dealing with large projects or detailed tasks lists. Asana is a powerful tool for project management, and knowing how to efficiently manage subtasks can make a huge difference in streamlining your workflow. To begin, you'll need to have your list of subtasks ready. Each subtask should be on a new line, either in a text document or wherever you've prepared them. For demonstration purposes, I've placed my list of subtasks in the description of the task I'm working on. Wherever you have your subtasks prepared, just ensure each one is separated by a new line. Once you have your subtasks list arranged, the next step is to select all the text. You can do this by clicking and dragging your cursor over the text to highlight it. Then, simply copy this text. You can do this by right-clicking and selecting Copy, or by using the shortcut, which is Ctrl+C on a PC or Command+C on a Mac. With your subtasks copied to your clipboard, jump over to Asana and locate the task where you want to add these subtasks. Once you're there, look for the Add Subtask option. You'll typically find this located below the task's details. Go ahead and click on Add Subtask. At this point, you're simply going to paste your copied content. Just press Ctrl+V if you're on a PC or Command+V on a Mac. Here's where the magic happens. Instead of seeing everything pasted as one single subtask, Asana will intelligently separate each line from your copied list into individual subtasks. This means that each line you prepared earlier becomes its own subtask, complete with its own checkbox. It's a quick and convenient way to break down your task without the repetitive process of adding subtasks one by one manually. Once you've completed this, you'll see all your subtasks neatly organized under the main task, each ready to be managed, reassigned, or checked off as you work through your project. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you've successfully learned how to quickly add multiple subtasks in Asana, improving your productivity and efficiency. I'm confident that this technique will become an invaluable part of your project management toolkit, helping you to keep everything organized and focused. Thank you for watching, and happy task managing in Asana.